You gonna read the Bible?
No, the big Bible.
Well, he can read whatever one he wants. Does that one have the story of Samson in it? Or is it the, I think the blue one does.
What?
Does the blue one have the story of Samson in it?
No. Yeah.
See if you can find it and read it to me.
This one is the blue one.
Is it? Careful, that one's ripping, Caleb. We need to fix that one. It's coming apart. It's old.
Not old.
Find the story of Samson, Cody, and read it to me.
Here's Samson.
Is that Samson? They're in love?
Yeah. How cute.
That's Mommy and Daddy and Caleb?
Baby.
Oh. Isn't that Abraham?
What?
Isn't that Abraham and Sarah? Isn't that the story? Okay. Find the story of Samson for me and read it. Angels. Is that Jacob's ladder?
What?
Jacob's ladder.
I'm not Jacob's ladder.
Yes, it is. That's the story. Find Samson.
I did find Samson in this Bible. See, that's Samson in this Bible. That's Samson.
Is that it?
Actually,
Tell me the story of Samson.
Samson is strong.
Yes, Samson is strong. Yes. And what else happened with Samson? What else happened? He broke those ropes.
It's Caleb Samson.
Caleb is Samson?
I'm strong. That's Cody Samson.
That's Cody Samson? Are you both strong? Did you break the ropes?
Oh,
What?
no, sad.
Why are they sad?
This is crying.
Mm.